Hi guys, this is the continuation of the adjusting entries or the part 2. Before we proceed, napansin ko lang dun sa first part na sabi ko 7 types. There are only 6 types. Okay, let's continue. The third type is the accrued revenues. Accrued revenues are asset. These are receivables that are already been earned but not yet collected. This is the opposite of unearned revenue. This time around, si company nakapagtrabaho na siya or naibigay niya na yung products kay client pero hindi pa siya nababayaran. Okay? So, let's have a problem. On December 1, 2019, JJ Garden rendered landscaping service to a customer for monthly fee of 10,000. It was agreed that the payment will be collected on the 5th of the following month. So, noong December 1 daw, si JJ Company nag-landscape siya sa isang customer. Ang bayad sa kanya ay 10,000. Pero, hindi pa siya nababayaran. Kasi ang pinag-usapan nila, babayaran siya sa ika-5th pa ng following month, which is January 1. Okay, so how will we record that? Again, we're following the calendar year, which is December 31 ang closing. So, date, December 31, 2019. Since may pautang tayo, debit accounts receivable, 10,000. At since nagtrabaho naman si JJ Garden, so that is credit landscaping revenue, 10,000. Okay, let's have another one. On December 1, 2019, Josie Company lent 1 million at 8% annual interest. At the end of the year, no entry was entered on the journal for interest income. Noong December 1 daw, si Josie Company nagpautang siya ng 1 milyon. Ang interest nun ay 8% annual per annum or for 1 whole year na. So, let's compute kasi isang buwan lang naman ang lumipas, December 1 to December 31. So, 1 million, i-multiply mo muna siya sa 8%, and then multiply mo siya sa lumipas na buwan, which is 1 month, and then divide it to 12 months because annual nga eh. 1 year is equal to 12 months. The answer is 6,667. Okay, so our adjusting entries will be December 31, 2019 for the date, debit interest receivable, which is 6,667.67, and credit interest income, nagkaroon na sila ng income na 6,667. Okay. Now, for the fourth type, which is the accrued expense, ito naman ay liability. Bakit siya naging liability? Because this refers to the expenses that are already incurred but not yet paid. Ito yung mga expenses natin na nagamit na natin pero hindi pa natin nababayaran. A good example of this one is yung kuryente natin, yung tubig natin, 'di ba? Ginagamit muna natin sila, saka natin babayaran pag naka-receive na tayo ng bill from the company. Okay. Let's have an example. For the month of December 2019, ABC Company had used a total of 6,200 worth of electric and water. The company received the bill on January 5, 2020. For the month daw ng December, si ABC Company, ang nagamit nilang tubig at kuryente ay 6,200. Pero, naka-receive lang sila ng bill noong January 5. Since this is December 31, we will record the December 31, 2019, ang debit natin ay utilities expense. Of course, expense na yan. Bakit siya utilities? Electric and water are considered utilities. So, para madagdagan ng expenses, dinedebit siya. Since hindi pa naman siya nababayaran, we will have utilities payable, which is credit 6,200. Okay, next. JOJO Company pays its secretary on a semi-monthly basis. Salaries on the first half are paid on the 17th, while salaries on the second half are paid on the second of the following month. Monthly salaries is 13,000. So, sabi daw, si JOJO Company may secretary siya. Ang sahod nun ay 13,000. Hinahati niya sa dalawa yung pagbayad. So, hinahati niya sa dalawa yung first half, babayaran niya sa 17, yung 1 to 15, and then yung second half na 16 to 31, babayaran niya si secretary sa second day of the following month. Okay, so paano natin i-record yan? Let's say we will close our book on December 31. So, ano ba ang kalahati? Alam natin na bayad na siya noong 1 to 15 kasi dumaan naman na ang 17. So, kalahati na lang yung utang ni JOJO Company sa secretary, which is ang kalahati ng 13,200 ay 13,000 ay 6,500. Okay? So, date again, December 31, 2019. Salaries expense, 6,500 at salaries payable credit 6,500. Ulitin ko, kaya 6,500 lang siya, kalahati lang siya ng 13,000 monthly salary niya. Kasi nga, yung first half nabayaran naman na nung 17. Ang hindi pa lang nababayaran ay nung for the day 16 up to 30 or 31. Okay, let's have the next one. Depreciation expense. Ang depreciation expense kontra asset. This represents how much an asset's value has used up. Kumbaga, ilan na yung nagamit doon sa asset mo. Okay, let's have an example. Okay, so August 1, 2019, Josie Company purchased service vehicle amounting 350,000. It has an estimated useful life of 5 years and a salvage value of 20,000. So sabi daw nung August 1, si Josie Company bumili sila ng sasakyan. Ang worth nun ay 350,000. Na-estimate nila na magagamit nila ito for 5 years and then after 5 years, kaya pa nila itong mabenta ng 20,000. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng salvage value. Okay, how to compute? What we're going to use is the straight line method. So, depreciation is equal to cost minus the salvage value and then divided to the useful life. So, the cost is 350,000 minus 20,000 na salvage value, then divided to useful life of 10 years. Pero dahil sa months pa lang naman ang lumilipas, we have to convert the 10 years into months. So, 10 years multiplied by 12 months, that is 120. So, 330,000, divide it to 120 months. So, ang monthly depreciation niya ay 2,750. Pero ang lumipas nga ay 5 buwan na, August, September, October, November, December. That is 5 months. Then you have to multiply the 2,750 to 5 months, which is the 13,750. That is our accumulated depreciation. So, how will we record that? For adjusting entries, again, the date will be December 31, 2019. Debit the depreciation expense, 13,750. And then, credit accumulated depreciation of 13,750. Okay, let's have another one. ABC Company acquired a computer for office amounting 25,000 at the beginning of the year. it has a useful life of 5 years. So, bumili daw si ABC Company ng computer worth 25,000. Magagamit siya for 5 years. Kung mapapansin nyo, walang salvage value. Ibig sabihin, sa kanilang estimation, after ng 5 years, wala nang value yung computer. Okay, let's have a computation without the salvage value. Depreciation is equal to cost minus salvage value divided by the estimated useful life. So, dahil wala nga tayong salvage value, 25,000 minus mo lang si 5 years. Looking at this one, bakit hindi ko siya kinonvert sa month? Kasi, kung mapapansin nyo, binili siya ng beginning of the year, January 1. Tapos ang ginagawa natin ay December 31. Isang buong taon ang lumipas. So, years naman siya. Ang useful life natin ay years. So, no need for us to convert it into months. Okay, the answer will be, the accumulated depreciation is 5,000. Let's have the adjusting entries. December 31, 2019, debit is depreciation expense, 5,000. And then credit, accumulated depreciation, 5,000. Okay, the last one is doubtful accounts. Doubtful accounts or bad debt expense is an expense. This represents the estimates uncollectible amount for the credit sales or revenue. Ito yung expense na kung saan doon sa mga pautang ng kumpanya, may na-estimate sila na hindi na mababayaran. Ang tawag doon, doubtful accounts. Okay, let's have a problem. SanSan Company estimates that 2,000 of its credit revenue for the year 2019 will not be collected. Sabi niya daw, si SanSan Company na-estimate niya na 2,000 ng kanyang mga pautang for the year 2019 hindi na siya makukolekta. So, how will we record that? December 31, 2019, debit, bad debt expense, 5,000. Yan at yan. Hindi na magbabago yan. And then, credit mo si allowance for bad debts, 5,000. Amount na lang ang magbabago dyan. Sorry, not 5,000. This should be 2,000. Ayan. Now, let's have another example. Aloha Company estimates that 5% of its credit revenue for the year 2019 will not be collected. The receivables of the company on that year is 132,000. So, si Aloha Company daw, may pautang siyang 132,000 noong 2019. Na-estimate nila, 5% doon, hindi na siya makokolekta. So, yun yung i-compute natin. Okay? 132,000 multiplied by 5%, that is 6,600. To record that, December 31, 2019, debit bad debt expense, 6,600. And then, credit allowance for bad debt expense, 6,600. Ayun. So, that would be all. Thank you.